Experience is the one teacher that gives the test before the lesson. Walang announcement, walang pa-review, bigla ka na lang nasa kalagitnaan ng exam called life. But hey, that's how wisdom is born. Bad decisions? Actually, sila yung OG mentors natin. Parang bumili ka ng online item na high quality daw. Pagdating, ayun, palpak. It failed to meet your expectation. Lesson? Next time, read reviews. Experience earned. Hindi porkit nagkamali ka, failure ka na. Experience shapes your instinct, your grit, your judgment. So kapag nadapa ka ulit, and you will, kasi tao lang tayo, take a breath, smile, and say, okay lang, training to, pang next level na ako.